few books that I've been trying to read. Actually, I've read this one. I might read it again. Actually, a pretty good story of myself. As well as this one. This is a good read too, so if you can find this one, it's a good read. Meanwhile, I like to play cards. Because I like games of chance. So, why not play cards? With me on it. There you go. Just a few things you can do when you're isolated here in the Outer Rim and nothing to do. I can't go down to the docking bay to my ship because it is quarantined off. And hopefully my ship is alright and the Jawas haven't scrapped any of it yet. So that remains to be seen. But, until further notice, I'm playing cards. So, that's what I'm doing right now. Playing cards and reading.